Hello everyone, Captain Billy J here. I just conquered the Bolt roller coaster here on Carnival Mardi Gras. $15 to ride the Carnival, the Bolt here on Carnival Mardi Gras. It was a good time. Would I go on it again? No. The height limit is 6'5". I am 6'4", and I can feel it in my legs. It was kind of tight because I have long legs, and yeah. But was it thrilling? Wasn't really thrilling. So yeah, I would not. I'm glad they changed it to 2 laps for $15 because 15 laps for 1 lap, or $15 for 1 lap, not a good deal. $15 2 laps, better, but still not the greatest. So I would not go on the Bolt roller coaster. Maybe one time. Might as well do it. It's the very first roller coaster at sea, so try it. Maybe you'll like it, but for me it wasn't thrilling enough. But it was something different, so I'm glad I was able to go on it. It was canceled the first time I booked it. They refunded me my $15, and then I just had to reschedule for a new day. Of course, I'm doing it here in beautiful Cove, Dominican Republic. So right here, Dominican Republic. Here is the Bolt roller coaster. Another thing is that they started working on the Bolt roller coaster. So right now it's not working. There was a technician working on it, and yeah, it's down right now. But yeah, so that's what's going on. So good thing I was able to get on it. Bad thing is that maybe there was an issue with it. But anyways, this has been Captain Billy J signing off from the Bolt roller coaster here on the Carnival Mardi Gras in beautiful Cove, Dominican Republic. We'll see you guys later. All right, bye everyone.